how to record audio in edits. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can record or have a voiceover. First of all, open the application. Now here in the middle, you can see this project icon. Simply tap on it. So this is the section where you can import or open other projects. Here, open the project or import anyone. So as you can see, I'm in this editing platform now. Now in order to add a voice or in order to record audio, here on the bottom you can see the voice option. Simply tap on voice. So as you can see, there's a recording button. Now you must go to the place where you want to add your voice and simply tap on this button. Now you can record whatever sound that you want to record and it will be done. Here on the right bottom, you can see this tick button. Simply tap on it and now your voiceover has been inputted here. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.